Yo, what's up, traders? It is November 2nd, 2020. Big day tomorrow. We got the election, and the markets are super choppy right now, which is surprising. I'm not surprised at all about that. But, man, this week is going to be insane. So if you're out there trading, if you're trying to trade live, manage your risk, trade small, really look for those pinpoint entries. And, you know, if you're a beginner, it doesn't matter what stage of the game you're at. A lot of the guys in my funding group, my accelerator group are, just watching, sitting on the sidelines. I think that's a pretty good game plan. It's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. And who knows for how long. We may not know who the president is till Wednesday, Thursday. So it's going to be nuts, man. There's a lot going on in the world. So and remember this, we're watching history unfold because they say this at every election, but this one is huge. We've never had two kind of opposing forces. It's been a crazy year. We got lockdowns in the UK and Europe, France, so it's going to be nuts. So I want to show you what I'm looking at now and what I'm looking at going into the election. Not really setups for the election because it's really just too hard to gauge, but what I'm doing is looking for crosses, pairs that aren't US dollar pairs. But you know, this type of situation, everything is going to be affected in one way or the other. There's a few things I've been trading right now that have still been working out pretty well for me, and a couple trades I missed. But Aussie New Zealand, if you've been following me last week or some of my setups, we did really well with that, and I think we have a couple more good trades starting to unfold. So I'll share my screen with you. We'll get right into that. If this is your first time meeting me, thanks. I appreciate you being on my channel. Click the links below for more information, whether you're beginner, intermediate, advanced. And if you want me to help you and show you and get you funded, and you can get mentored by me in the process and be a part of our elite group of traders, of guys that are already funded, going through the process and trading with outside capital, starting at $100,000. Click the link below to get started. I'll get you set up, and it's life-changing stuff. So that being said, let's take a look at the markets. Let me share my screen with you all, and here we go. So just entered the setup here in EURCAD. My entry is about 54.15, but I think so. It might be a little bit of drawdown here. And by the way, I just set up a standing desk here in my office, man. This thing is sick. It's nice. I'm not like hunched over looking at my screens and my charts, my set. Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. So this is a huge area. If we also drop we can make our trend lines here, and you can see this is a pretty textbook setup, and we were trading this, especially like 2 weeks ago, especially in my funding group. There we go. But you can see this is a perfect cup and handle formation. Now, if this thing goes much longer and keeps getting spread out, now we're kind of like in a channel here, and that would invalidate this cup and handle pattern. But that's a reminder I have at noon every day to smile. So not a bad one to set up on your all's phone. I'm going to leave that so I don't have to redo this video. But yeah, man, setting daily reminders for yourself to smile, be friendly, love everybody, remember your goals. It's a great reminder. So that being said, our entry is about 54, so we're about 4 pips in a drawdown right now. Not too bad, but this is a continuation pattern typically. Welcome to my world, the world of notifications. So yeah, this is a continuation pattern. So, you know, we got a lot riding on what's going to happen tomorrow, but, you know, snagging this entry here. All right, my mirroring crashed there for a second. So this is a nice channel though. We're testing the bottom part of it, and we're also equaling out to these two bottom candles right here. So I think this could potentially be a really, really good setup. So that being said, the upside of this, given we get some euro strength, could be really, really big. So EURCAD, that's one, and a lot of risk on, surprisingly, sentiment in the market today. So not sure why exactly that happened. You can see dollar CAD sold off pretty decently hard here. Actually thought of buying here, buying this dip. I think it could be a pretty good play. I'm just gonna really wait and see how it pans out though. You can see from this fractal point, if you're new to my style, right, I use these fractals to also show me different significant points in the market, which could be a false breakdown, false breakout. So dollar CAD could potentially be looking for a bounce here. So we look at EURCAD, look at dollar CAD, and that's what I like to do is look across the board on different correlating pairs and also in different risk assets. So here we are, big old Aussie New Zealand. I'm looking for a big long setup here, long term. And we've broken out of this kind of wedge structure we were consolidating in here. Big breakout. I actually got out last night. I was in a good hold, but I was just like, I don't know if I want to hold this before I go to bed. And here we are, right? Nice little breakout structure going on. We got Aussie, we got New Zealand. Of course, like I said, everything's going to be pretty affected tomorrow by the election. But I think this would be a really good setup for y'all. And, that is a little less affected by what's going on. Of course, Aussie, New Zealand, both being risk assets. Depending on what happens with the stock market, that'll definitely affect what's going on here. But I think this could be a really good play. So you can see this nice, nice descending wedge here, false breakdown. We're also filling out some imbalance here and in the market. So now that kind of closed its way out and has all the fixins for great setup. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be careful trading out there. It's gonna 2021. We got less than 60 days left. So what are you gonna do to take your life to the next level and go ahead and start thinking about 2021, because it's gonna be here, especially when we get this damn election out of the way. It's going to be here before you know it. So you might as well start making the plans now to go ahead and crush it for 2021 and make your dreams a reality. And I'd love to help you do that. So click link below, whatever stage of the game you're at, and have an awesome, awesome night, everybody. Peace.